either blow it or we win. And I come back and now it's down. What the fuck, bro?
Sorry.
This is why you should never date a team. Fucking crazy. If at the end of the week I don't meet my profit target, for every single dollar that I missed out on, I have to let a stranger throw a water balloon at me out in public. Like gold right now, bro. Fuck off. I had set a target of $4,000 that I had to meet by the end of the week. Oh. However, if I failed, I'm having a complete stranger throw a water balloon at me for every $10 that I was short. Gold is fucking flying, baby. Let's go. Gold is absolutely ripping up. And we come out completely dry because last week we absolutely smashed our target and made $13,000.
Oh God.
I'm sorry.
I don't want to talk.
How about tomorrow I buy you whatever I make with my trading account?
No. Open your phone.
For what?
I want to be Ollie for the day.
No.
What do you think?
You gotta let her. You gotta let her do it, man.
That'll make me happy. I won't be mad at you.
What if you lose?
You're not good at trading anyways. Just let me try it.
All right, I'm on the app now.
Okay. And you need to step outside, right?
Yeah, you
I
might.
think it's better if you step outside.
I hate to say this, bro. You gotta take a step
Just
up.
be long.
I think the more you press that, the more money you make.
Really?
Yeah, just press it a bunch.
I just keep pressing it?
Yeah. Money will just show up.
What are you doing?
He has a method. Should I click this one too?
I think the more you press that, the more money you make.
Really?
Yeah, just press it a bunch.
This is fun.
I'm a fucking fine.
All right, bro. Fine.
Jill.
No. Ollie, no.
Hey, this is on camera, bro.
This is every time. No.
I just want to see how much you.
No.
All right, what's
They
it?
told me to keep clicking buy.
What's it gonna take?
I want my favorite flowers.
Okay, easy. You could just go get that now.
You know my favorite flowers?
What is it?
How do you not know this?
I gave you tons of
I'm
flowers.
about to buy more.
No, relax.
You just have to figure it out.
Okay, easy. You could just go get that now. This is why you should never date a team. Fucking crazy. I think I just gotta buy like the whole fucking store.
I just put my cum in a pussy. I used to jump out the back of the bus.
These ones?
Now I jump off of a jet. I used to tell the little baby to lust.
How about these?
Then I got over the shit. I used to like a banana.
How about these?
Love, the way she was drinking my spit. Yo, bitch cheating, she on my cup, but we cut her and shit.
I mean, she got like one of them.
Bro, honestly, I don't even think the girls like that store-bought stuff. Like, they like the handmade, sentimental, you know, something that like shows them that like you care, you know?
I care about my trading. Oh look, there's literally some right there.
Hey, darling. Hey, baby girl. So my private. Close your eyes, it's just me and you and nobody. They suck it sideways. If we in public or the driveway.
Can I go back?
Yeah, they're so much cuter. I love that they're handpicked.
You?
I took more trades as well.
Why would you do that?
Open it.
Jill,
It was going up.
bro, I'm down almost $6,000. Bro, you took I can't even like hold this. I gotta get out of all these. Bro, I just went from 13K to 6.7K. Do you not realize that like everything we do, I pay for?
Sorry.
I gotta lock in, bro. I gotta lock in on some Fortnite. Hold on. Wow, that's so gay. Not gonna lie, I'm still pretty fucking pissed over what happened earlier, but let me show you guys the setup that we took. You guys can see we swept yesterday's low over here, and this is my previous daily high. So I'm just playing like a very clean inner range over here. So in the 1 hour time frame, you guys can see price comes down, touches my high time frame point of interest here, my key level, because if you look to the left, this level pushed us all the way up. Finally entering this level again, we're getting a strong rejection. Now, I go to my minute 15 time frame. You guys can see we had this level push us up off of this one here. So we had one, push up, touches back, pushes up, comes back up, pushes up off of here again. I like the rejection we got there. It followed this nice little candlestick confirmation that I have, which is 1, 2, 3. If the middle one is indecisive like this, where it's long on both ends, small in the middle, then you take the 50% mark of that first one. And as long as the third one closes above the 50% mark, you actually end up taking that trade. I saw price somewhere around over here, enter this trade right here, and now I'm just looking to target my inner range high, because if price fell from here, it should go here. I don't know how far it's gonna go, I just know that it should go here. If price really wants to move up, You guys can see I went ahead and just withdrew, but then redeposited, so that way I get a fresh 250% deposit bonus. And I'm gonna leave the link to that broker in the description. Make sure you guys are using that. Best broker in the game by a mile. But let's see how this plays out. If it wins, I should make 2,500. If it loses, I should lose about 1,600. Pretty good odds. I gotta lock in on some Fortnite. Hold on. We got the little victory royale. Chat is absolutely up right now, bro. I'm loving this. Look at this, bro. Look at how gold is absolutely flying right now. Look at that. We're stops to break even. I'm loving this. We're almost at take profit. Banger trade. Chat, I need everyone to drop a 1 if you make some money tonight. Look at that. Look at that. Look at everyone. Spend that shit, twin.
A few moments later.
Fuck, man. This is why you don't celebrate too early. Just fucking hit break even. Fuck, man. I was so close. I was actually so close to take profit. Like, I want to hop back in because I feel like it's just gonna fly, but I fucking ego getting in the way right now.
The buy oil, my friend.
The Diddy oil?
So much volume going through, bro. Literally, like, it's moving like 1% like every candle. It's insane.
I'm looking at the Diddy oil chart.
Yeah, bro. That's part. Yeah.
You think like right where it's at right now?
I think honestly, like, it's a lagging indicator with the Diddy oil like scenario. Like
The Diddy oil. I feel it. I feel it. Chat, I'm not gonna lie, we do have an interesting position setting up here on the Diddy oil. This is US crude oil. It's taking a huge drop. You guys can see I measured out the gap right here. It's rejecting that 50%. I do like that. Chat, are we buying the Diddy oil? I think they're opposed. I think they're fucking with it. Dude, they're saying full port Diddy oil. All right, chat. That's the preparation for the trade. Got to be able to manage my positions well. We just put the baby oil on.
Yeah, boy.
All right, but guess what, bro? We're up $100 already. Let me show you guys the markup. All right, guys, look at this. We had this whole gap. Price came in, gave me that 1, 2, 3 pattern, right? So one, very bearish, a bullish candle, and then the third one that closes above the 50% of that one. Fundamentally, I'm very bullish on oil with everything that's going on right now. And for right now, my target is literally just going to be right here because I feel like we're going to slow down once we get in this area. But depending on the volume, I might hold on. Chat, if you are in this, I need you to comment Diddy right now.
No, ain't no party like a Diddy party.
All right, guys, it's 4:15 a.m. Diddy oil is barely moving. It's pretty much at break even. You guys can see how it's still stuck in this trend line. It touches this trend line, comes down, touches this trend line, it comes down. But overall, I'm very bullish on this because, I mean, the simplest way to put it is when the place that is the biggest like area of oil is getting bombed, the price of oil is gonna go up. So we're up right now, 440 now, and I'm gonna be ending the live stream here. I'm extremely tired, guys. I gotta get some rest, but I'll see y'all tomorrow.
Us in the 6, shop for new clothes and kicks. You and me taking flicks.
All right, guys, it's been about 12 hours since that live stream. Did get stopped out on this oil trade right here. And that brings the account down to a balance 4,530. But now I'm gonna show you guys setups that I'm looking for. I'm not gonna lie, we're gonna start off with USD JPY, and this is my favorite one. Here we're on the daily, and you guys can see price over here breaks all of this structure, comes all the way down here, comes back up. We mark up our highest candlestick, and that's gonna be our strong seller zone. Last episode I told you guys our key level, our order blocks, as you guys can see, our supply, or basically when we get that break of structure and the price comes back. So we mark that up over here, and you guys can see price clearly gives us a strong rejection yesterday and looks like it's making its way down. So doesn't mean that I can just hop in yet because I want to use a move that's going to take up this whole thing. I still gotta wait. But overall, I'm looking for a bearish setup on USD JPY throughout the week. Here we have NZD CAD. We had this structure get broken, leaving us with these two strong buyer zones. You guys can see how price is reacting off of this one already. So I'm looking for a little pullback, then opportunity again. Here we have NZD CHF. Price breaks the structure to the left. We mark out our lowest candlestick and is already giving us very strong rejections towards the upside. But like I said, we need those confirmations to come later. Last currency pair that I'm going to be looking at is AUD CAD. Same thing, structure gets broken. You guys can see structure to the left over here. It's broken towards the upside. We make a new high, mark out our lowest candlestick here, and then price rejects super strongly off it. So had I traded these yesterday, yes, it does look like the opportunity was there a little bit, but obviously I didn't catch those entries yesterday in the live stream. So now I'm not gonna chase the market. I'm gonna let the markets come to me so I can take the best possible setup. Then I have gold. And all I like to do on gold is mark up the lows and highs and my previous daily highs and lows. So right now I'm expecting price to sweep out this high, potentially continue to target up here. It's just still a little bit early, so I don't have any confirmation. And then the rest of the pairs I'll be looking at are like Dow Jones, NASDAQ, Bitcoin. But these ones I don't necessarily swing trade the same way I do. I like to catch them with a lot of volume on the spot, and that's why I take those more impulse. I'll see you guys with the trade. I just got back from the gym and I think we have our first setup. Take a look at gold. Here you guys can see we had this level here being our previous daily high. Price clearly swept above that and then entered my key level right here. Now, if you go down to the minute 15 time frame, you'll see this was our first key level because you can see this is the highest candlestick before price came all the way back down. You move to the right. This candlestick over here breaks all the previous structure to the left, pulls back into that area, the highest one, which breaks structure to the left. Then you continue looking at where price is at right now. Now, we had price enter there, then make its push down. But what I really like is this 1, 2, 3 pattern, which is considered that evening star. 1, 2, 3. And the third candlestick clearly closes below the 50% level of that first candlestick. Now I'm looking over here. This is where price currently is at. And I'm gonna get in with an aggressive stop loss right there. So let's hop into this trade. We just entered. I'm gonna tuck my stops above that high. And my take profit, we're gonna be going back to that daily level. And we're gonna see if we can take this all the way to the daily low and move bearishly, or if we're just gonna continue at this level here. So once we clear this level, I'm gonna set my stops to break even, meaning if it goes back to 0, that's fine. I'll just take $0. But overall, I do want to see if we can target this low over here. That way I can just be done with my weekly target. This one would be a $4,000 gain, putting us back up to $8,500. But if we can get that daily low, it'll make us $11,000 just on that one trade. Setting my take profit, and we're gonna let this one ride. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I was just filming a video for my channel and I come back and now it's down 1,500, bro. Still in this trade, obviously. It still hasn't hit my stop loss, but it's 1:10 a.m. and I need to make some moves happen. Back at the office, and unfortunately we did lose this trade. We're now sitting on $18.99 balance, and I'm waiting to see if this level is going to confirm an entry. Same pair, it's still gold. As you guys could see, we had our sell zones, and I went too aggressive on that stop loss. I tucked it above this level here instead of above the entire strong sell zone. So I'm just waiting a little bit longer, but I think I'm going to get in and give it that full sell zone markup. And honestly, guys, I think we got a full margin. We either blow it or we win, because every single time we've done that on the series, we've won. Yet every single time I don't do that, the trade loses. You know what, guys? Let's just hop in. We just hopped in and the entire account is on the line. And honestly, I'm gonna hop on live stream as well. Let's see how many of y'all join up. This is insane. Chat, drop a 1. Drop a 1 if you're in this with me. Bro, this is melting. This is literally how Ollie trades does it, bro. 11K, bro. What is going on? This is crazy. Look at that. Literally snipe the top. Yeah, I'm setting my stops to break even here. I'm going stops to break even, chat. I'm not down to lose anything. Bro, I think I'm going to hold this beyond the take profit. I'm not going to lie. 14 bands? Oh, this is beautiful, bro. We almost hit take profit, but now it's pulling back. And I really don't like this because it reminds me of that gold trade from yesterday when I was in the buys. We almost hit take profit and then it reversed all the way back to break even, because look at that, bro. Literally like right there, pulls all the way back. Now it's starting to reverse. This would be terrible because I had just fucking cleared the weekly goal. I would have been fine, but now we got to see what happens. This is very interesting, man. Let's break even. God damn it, bro. Oh, I'm getting back in right here. I like how it's rejecting right there. Straight into profit. And then I'm just going to tuck the stops above those highs. We have the G20 meeting in like 6 minutes, which is going to make this move insane right now. So I do want to be in this. I don't think that this candlestick is going to flip. I really think we got the best entry if this is going to go bearish. So we'll see. Accidentally closed out right there. Nice drop, bro. 3 minutes to the G20 meeting. Oh, this is moving good. It's moving very good, bro. Life should be eating. I love it. Pretty solid start here. Pretty solid start. Don't let me down. Gold has been playing with my balls all week.
What?
Damn it. Super slow night. It's not over yet. Could still be an opportunity. I'm going to watch how it plays here, and maybe we finally get that position that's going to take us down. After being stopped out again at break even, I think this is going to be our entry. How the minute 5 gives this very clean doji, then a bearish engulfing right here. Right, this candle completely engulfed one, and then waiting on this minute. Looks like it's going to close pretty decisive. So indecisive right here. You go zoom into it. Sellers are gaining control. Little pullback of buyers right there, but just trying to wait it out and want to see how this candle closes and then potentially hop. Bro, do you see how quick this is moving? Bro, do you see this? This is so fat, bro. Holy crap. What is going on? Bro, it's been 45 seconds. You want to tell me it's a coincidence that we sweep all the zones right before New York open? New York opens, we get the candlestick confirmation for a reversal 1 minute before New York opens, and then we dump? Bro, that's literally textbook right. Bro, this might be an insane sell-off. I don't know. I mean, it's early. That's why I just like, with the volume, bro, try to secure yourself. God damn, bro. It's already been 4 minutes and $4,000 bucks. I'm going to scale in on this because like, look how it's playing on the minute 1, right? Break, pull back, break, pullback, expecting that. I'm gonna scale in, bro. Call me crazy, but I know it's gonna be a huge night. Oh my. Literally straight into profit, bro. Straight into profit. Look at that, bro. That is insane. I'm up 13 grand. 14. Bro. Yo, chat. Who's in this? Who's in gold sales? Drop a one. Drop a one. Bro. It still has so much more room to drop. That's the crazy. I'm up 15K. I'm up 16K. Every damn time, bro. I'm leaving. I'm not fucking leaving. So after hitting break even a billion times tonight, as you guys can see, we are left with a little bit of profit on that last trade, at least a couple $100. And I think that gold is finally ready. All right, guys, it's 10:08 a.m. I'm finally getting that pullback into that area that I wanted. Finally sell gold. There. Stops above these highs over here. And let's see what's going to happen. I just full margined my first position, but I think that there's a huge move incoming, guys. Time to lock in, guys. It's been a pretty solid drop, but rejecting that same exact area. I needed to break out of here. You can see it's respecting. I needed to finally break that, bro. I'm up 47K. What the fuck? I'm up 62K. I'm up 67K. I'm up 70K. The fuck? Holy, we just caught this on live, bro. What the actual fuck? Oh, my account's at 80 fucking thousand. Oh my god. Yo. What's good, bro? What you up to? I gotta show you some shit. I did the math, bro. It took you 51 days to get to 100K. I'm on week 3 right now, and I'm at 85K. So I'm blowing your shit out the fucking water, bro. Like, I thought this shit was gonna be a challenge, but this shit is fucking easy. I don't know how it took you so long.
Well, I mean, I also took $100 to $1 million. You're only trying to take it to 100K, bro. So good luck with that. We're trying to take it to $1 million. That's the real challenge. Taking it to 100K is easy, bro.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone.
Well, I mean, I also took $100 to $1 million. You're only trying to take it to 100K,
I've been
bro.
in this club too
So good luck with that. We're trying to take it to $1 million. Taking it to 100K is easy, bro.
Bro, those bags are empty.
Any arguments of anyone that's pretty
Structure. Easy.
You're gonna get your head kicked in.
Shoot a messenger, string 'em up. She's a 10.